Hello,
Hello,
what is your full name?
my full name is Lady Diana Vega Barón.
How old are you?
I'm 29 years old.
Where are you from?
I am from Ibagué, Tolima.
Are you married or single?
I'm married.
What do you do? What's your hobby?
I am studying public accounting. I'm a secretary.
What do you like to do in your free time?
I like watching movies, listening to music, and I like to share with my family.
What are your string?
I am good at memorizing. I'm also agile and kind.
What are your weaknesses?
I am bad at talking in public, but I can control my nerves
Why do you want to live in your hobby?
because here if I can exercise my skills
Why do you want to work for us?
because this company is very reconciled.
What your biggest achievement?
Start and finish each semester of my career.
What are your salary expecting?
I want to earn according to my responsibilities.
Okay, bye.
Bye, thank you.